So I'm a first-year graduate student. I came away with so many transferable skills like running meetings and public speaking and things that will really apply no matter what I decide to do, so that was really nice. I really enjoyed the public speaking, which I didn't think I would, but I think having a space that's so welcoming and friendly to practice it in was really nice. I learned how to sort of manage my life in a sense. I really enjoyed the section on project management because it's something that we think of as a business sort of transaction, but I think if you apply it to your life, then you can sort of really get out of it what you want. This course focuses on you in a very holistic sense and takes into account your physical well-being, your mental well-being, and your career success and your life success. And I think that's really valuable to think about the ways in which these all interact. My key takeaway was that success is incredibly subjective, and what is successful for one person is not success for another. And when we're thinking about our own lives, we need to look inward as opposed to outward when we think about what we want out of life. I would recommend the course because once we've set down one path in life, quite often we don't reflect and think about why we're on this path, whether it's what we really want to do. And this course gave me the opportunity to reflect and think about my own life in a way that I think everybody should do.